Hello, Can Do Guy here. We have another purchase from Walmart. It's called a liquid transfer pump. The brand is Hyper Tough. Pumps up to 7 quarts per minute. Pumps water and other non-corrosive liquids. Includes 2 battery cartridges. There are some instructions. Battery installation. Says it takes your pump includes 2 AA battery cartridges. Gives you the option to using 2 D batteries or 6 AA batteries. So there you go. It's in a bucket showing you how it works there. There's the picture with the cartridges for the AA. We'll get it out of the box. This is the pump. This black end is the end you stick in your gas tank or your gas can, and the white hose goes in the gas tank or whichever you're transferring the pump to. This is the connector for the battery. We'll look here in the box. Runoff here. These are the 2 battery carriers for the AA's. There it is right here. You put them inside there. It takes 3 of them, I believe, so 3 on each one. And this is the piece for the runs of control. The batteries go in this end, and you have the on and off switch on this end. It also looks like the tube has a clip on up here where you can clip it on. I believe you screw this in here. Like that. That's how it's supposed to work. You unsnap this, run the transfer down. It's kind of hard to get on a video here. Don't have enough room. Anyway, this was purchased at Walmart. The price was $16.88 with tax. It made it $18.44. I'm going to try it out here before long and see how she operates. Again, it's called Hyper Tough Liquid Transfer Pump. Okay, give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.